So we are in the Key building. We're gonna go up and find our room. Oh, this is beautiful. Okay, so we need elevator. Hi everyone, I'm Jen.
And I'm Joe.
And we're Jen and Joe on the go.
So, Jen, we are at the Grand Floridian Resort at Disney.
And we got a little pixie dust, Joe.
Yes, we were able to check in for our room. They ended up getting us a room, so we basically checked in early. So we're going to show you the room really quick.
Yes. So I will say I'm not happy being right off the elevator.
Elevator, room.
So hopefully it'll be quiet.
Hopefully. But we're going to check out the room.
Okay, ready?
It's room
Oh,
7414.
it smells good.
Mm-hmm.
Nice big bathroom to the left as you walk in.
So you got double sinks, very elegant, very lovely.
Wow, you know what I noticed right away?
What's that?
Hamper
Oh, yep, there's a hamper. Ooh,
for all
that's
your
kinda-
wet, dirty towels.
Yes.
I love that.
Yes, that is nice, actually. That is nice, because somebody uses a lot of towels. Anyway, so, yeah, very nice sink area. The mirror,
Yeah.
very lovely, very nice, very elegant.
Yeah.
And then the fan turns on automatically, so it's a little loud, but
That's
You know.
okay. It will disguise our pooping.
I'm just saying for video purposes, it's a little loud in here. So just a typical tub with the shower head. So that's cool. All right. Let's check out the closet over here.
So very nice. So we've got ironing board, iron. Again, the only room that's had a steamer has been Wilderness Lodge.
Interesting.
Luggage rack,
Yeah.
soft fluffy robes, extra pillow and blanket.
The typical, the norm.
See what's on the other side.
Oh, there's your hair dryer. There's the safe.
With some extra storage.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Okay.
Okay.
And then the room itself is spacious. This is a good sized room.
Yeah, this is very nice. Oh, look at the artwork of the Grand Flow with the swans. That's very pretty.
Yes. Yes, it
Very
is.
pretty.
Yeah, that's nice.
And then look, we've already been welcomed. It says welcome Sparendale party.
There you go. Look at that.
Love that. So again, I would assume the refrigerator's in here.
Yeah.
Yep. Lots of drawer
Cool.
space on both sides. You've got the couch that pulls into a bed.
Yeah.
2 queen size beds, right?
Yeah, I guess these are queens.
Okay, so you got a nice desk area with your Keurig and ice bucket.
I do
and-
remember this. If you pull the chair out, and then you have this little table that pulls out.
Yes.
So this actually can go to any part of the room.
So if you wanted to
can-
work, you could pull it in front of your balcony.
Or here. Yeah. So, yeah, really, honestly. Here, move it over. We could set it up.
Really?
Yeah, just so you can show it.
Okay.
See? So if you want to have a lovely view while you're working, you've got this right here.
Okay.
And then the view itself,
All right, let's
here
go.
is our view.
So I think it opens on that side. Oh.
There you go.
All right, let's see. Oh.
Ooh, nice sized balcony.
Oh, and I think I see our beds. Wow, this is considered a garden view. Wow.
So if this is a garden view, this is,
This is pretty.
I mean, we're right by Narcoossee's, which is right here. And the boat dock is just on the other side of the building, right over here. And you could actually see Space Mountain in the distance. Let me try to zoom in past the trees here. So right between the trees and the building, there is Space Mountain. And we get a shot of the pool right over here.
very nice.
We'll be spending some time down by the pool here in just a little bit.
It's really nice.
So, lovely shot of our view, and then the contemporary there in the background as well. Really nice.
Yeah, really nice.
So overall, what do you think?
I just don't like the location of the room being next to the elevator because that's never good. It's a high traffic area.
Yeah.
But, oh, and I think
And our bags are here. So just wanted to add, right here under the TV is a couple things. And one is the in-room dining menu. The in-room dining menu has a full-blown menu. This isn't just a couple little items that you can get that, you know, snacks or whatever. This is full-blown. I'm guessing, well, I'm guessing it might be coming from the Grand Floridian Cafe because some of what's on the menu looks like it's from that menu.
It is.
So,
I know
yeah,
that for a fact.
you do know that for a fact.
Yes.
You know that for a fact, Jennifer?
Mm-hmm.
It's a fact? Mm-hmm. All right, well, yes, we have some cocktails. We have breakfast like the avocado toast, which we've had. A few other things. There's a steak and eggs. There's a lobster burger, the Mickey-shaped waffle. So, yeah, it looks like this stuff is all from Grand Floridian Cafe. And if we open it up, you can take a look. We've got breakfast kids meals. There's also dinner for kids meals. And then the other regular dinner menu. So this is actually a nice option if you just want to dine in the room, like perhaps maybe breakfast in bed. And of course they also have the good stuff. Spirits by the bottle. Ooh, spirits by the bottle. And it's priced like you're at Disney. Oh my, oh. Look at the price for a Jameson. A bottle of Jameson, look at the price. Unless that bottle is right here. Right here.
Oh my God.
Unless that bottle is like 5 liters big, yeah. Yeah, well, you know.
That's
Disney.
crazy.
Disney. All right, so we have a really lovely room with a lovely view back here, as you can see. Really nice, but overall...
We have our luggage already, and it's
Yeah.
only 11:10, so
Yeah.
now we can enjoy the rest of the day. Don't have to worry about our room being ready, our luggage coming up.
Yeah, so we're just going to unpack and make our way out and about. We have a lot of stuff planned for today.
We do.
So thanks for watching as always.
And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss any of the next Jen and Joe on the go action because we are at Disney World and the week is just beginning.
Yes, so thank you as always. We'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.